Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli Hammasi yaxshilikka kanali YouTube kanali obunachilari. Sizlar bilan doim studiyada Ibrohimbek. Xo'p, bugun darsimizni boshlaymiz. Bugungi darsimiz How long have you been? Ya'ni qancha vaqt oldin bo'lgansiz, a? Shu yerda va bundan tashqari next them ya'ni keyingi mavzu for and since dan beri, when qachon and how long shularni farqini sizlar bilan bugungi darsimizda qisqacha 20 daqiqa davomida tushuntirib ketaman. Xo'p, darsimizni boshlaymiz. We'll look at A section. Start is example situation. Understandable, ya'ni mana shu holatni ya'ni masalani o'qing, mutolaa qiling deyapti. O'rganing. Xo'p. Dan and Kate are married. Dan bilan Dan va Kate turmush qurishgan ekan. They got married exactly 20 years ago. Ular aniqrog'i 20 yil avval turmush qurishgan ekan. So today is their 20th wedding anniversary. Ya'ni shuningdek, bugun ularning 20-to'yini yubiley deydi-yu, shunaqasi. Ya'ni to'yni 20 yillik to'yi. They have been married for 20 years. Ular 20 yildan beri turmush qurishgan. We say they are married. Present, ya'ni biz present simple da they are married deymiz. Present perfect o'zi present perfect ham majhul nisbati passiv modi. Shuning uchun married bo'lyapti. Xo'p. Endi but how long have they been married? Nimaga ular qancha vaqtdan beri turmush qurishgan? Deymiz, not how long are they married? Nimaga biz bunaqa demaymiz? They have been married for 20 years. Present perfect. O'tgangi mavzuimiz o'zi present perfect continuous. Yeah? Endi how long have you been? Ya'ni qancha vaqtdan beri? Va biz nimaga they are married for 20 years? Nimaga biz bunday joylashtirmaymiz tepadagi they have been married for 20 years deymiz. Ya'ni ular 20 yildan beri turmush qurishgan. O'zi turmush qurmoq fe'li ko'proq majhul nisbata qo'llaniladi. Ana nisbata olib qo'ymanglar, o'tda xato qilasizlar. Xo'p, and we use the present perfect to talk about something that began and past and still continues now. Biz present perfectni muloqotda ya'ni ishlatamiz ekan nima haqida? Bitta o'tgan zamon, lekin hozirda u davom etib ketyapti. Ya'ni o'tgan zamonda boshlangan, lekin u hozir ham davom etib ketyapti. Biz present perfectni shu zamonda, ya'ni shu oralig'ida qo'llaymiz. Xo'p, ya'ni bizni kanalimizda yangi tomoshabinlar bo'lsa, biz mana shu present perfectni, ya'ni hozirgi mukammal zamonni past simple bilan, ya'ni hozir ham davom etib kelyapti turgan present perfect continuous. Hozir ham davom etib kelyapti turgan ish harakatlari uchun qo'llaymiz. Xo'p, and compare the present and present perfect, ya'ni hozir bilan hozir mukammalni solishtiryapti. Paul is hospital. Paul shifoxonada ekan. Has been in hospital since Monday. U dushanbadan beri shu shifoxonada ekan. Not Paul is in hospital since Monday. Ya'ni biz Paul dushanbadan beri shifoxonada demaymiz ekan. O'ylab ko'ringlar, dushanbadan beri shifoxonada u sanatoriya emas-u. Xo'p, endi we know each other very well. Biz har birini yoki har boshqasini juda yaxshi bilamiz deyapti. We have known each other for a long time. Biz har bittasini uzoq vaqtdan beri juda yaxshi bilganmiz. Lekin we know demaymiz ekan, ya'ni for a long time ni ishlatsak. Xo'p, endi yana bitta misol. Do they have a car? Ya'ni mashining bormi deyapti. How long have they had their car? Ya'ni ularning qancha vaqtdan beri mashinasi bor? She's waiting for somebody. U kimnidir kutyapti. She hasn't been waiting very long. Uzoqdan beri kutmayapti. Mana bu yerda yana misollar keltirib qo'ygan. Present his, we know. Do they have, she's waiting. Ya'ni hozir deyapman endi present perfect. He has been continuous. Ha? We have known, have they, had, she has been waiting va hokazo va hokazo. Hop, mana bu yerda ham bu qisqartmasi short term. I have been known, I have had, I have lived. etc ya'ni va hokazo degani bu. Is the present perfect simple, ya'ni bu present perfectdagi shakli. Buni bilasizlar. I have been learning, I have been reading. Is the present perfect continuous. Bu esa present perfect, ya'ni hozirgi mukammal davomiy zamondagi shakli. And then when we ask or say how long, the continuous is more usual. Ya'ni biz qachonki so'rasak yoki aytsak qanchadan beri davomiyligi, ya'ni odatiyroq bo'lsa. Ketdik. I have been learning in I, I have been learning English since January. Men yanvardan beri ingliz tili o'rganaman. It's been raining all morning. Mana bu present continuousdagi present perfect continuous. Ha, ya'ni kun davomida yomg'ir yog'di, yog'yapti. Richard has been doing the same job for 20 years. Richard bir xil ishda ishlaydi 20 yildan beri. How long have you been driving? Qancha vaqtdan beri haydaysiz? Since I was 17, 17 yoshimdan beri. Mana bu yerda judayam qiziqarli, ya'ni kerakli. Some words, for example, know and like, aren't normally used in the continuous. Ya'ni normal holatda, odatiy holatda bilmoq bilan yoqtirmoq fe'li ishlatilmaydi ekan. Davomiy shaklda, ya'ni continuousda. Biz knowing, liking demaymiz ekan. Unda u harakat nomi bo'lib qoladi. Understandable? Yeah. How long have you known Jane? Not have been knowing. Mana shu yerda kelajakda qovun tushirmasliklaring uchun yana bir o'qib beraman. How long have you known Jane? Hech qanaqa ingli olmayapti. Gerund ham bo'lgani yo'q. Ya'ni ing olmaydi bu fe'l. Harakat nomi bo'lib qoladi. O'zi holat fe'llari bor, harakat fe'llari bor. Bular holat fe'llari ing olmaydi. Ya'ni qancha vaqtdan beri Jane'ni bilasan? I've had this shoes for ages. I have been having demaymiz ekan. Xato ekan, a? Bu ham xuddi shunaqa. Yoshligimdan beri shu oyoq kiyimlarim bor deyapti. Hop, bu misollarning orqasi vazifalar. Hop, endi C ga qarasak, you can use either the continuous or simple with live and work. Ana live'ni siz qo'llay olasiz ekan, ham davomiy zamonda, ham oddiy zamonda. Ketdik. Julia has been living in this house for a long time. Julia bu uyda uzoq vaqtdan beri yashaydi. Or Julia has lived deya olamiz ekan. How long have you been working here? Qancha vaqtdan beri bu yerda ishlaysiz? Or how long have you worked here? Qancha vaqtdan beri bu yerda ishlagansiz? But we use a simple have lived etc with always. Ya'ni always bilan ko'proq simple, oddiy deyapti. Ketdik. I have always lived in this country. Men har doim shu mamlakatda yashaganman. Not always been living. Continuous qo'llanamiz ekan always bilan ishlatgan holatda. Ya'ni har doim. O'zi har doim yashab kelyapman. Mantiqi ham to'g'ri kelmaydi. Endi G ga qaraymiz. We say I haven't done something. Since for present perfect. Simple. I haven't seen Tom since Monday. Ha, men Tomni dushanbadan beri ko'rganim yo'q. Bu since bilan for'ni ishlatish tartibi. Monday was the last time I saw him. Dushanba meni eng oxirgi ko'rgan vaqtim edi. Ya'ni uni ko'rgan vaqtim edi deyapti. Sarah hasn't phoned for ages. Sarahning yoshligidan beri telefoni yo'q. The last time she phoned it was ages ago. Oxirgi marta u qo'ng'iroq qilgani 1 yil avval edi deyapti. Ana endi look at the 11.1, which is right. Ha? Ben is a friend of mine. Ben mening do'stim. I've known him very well. I know it's correct deyapti. Bu incorrect. Men uni juda yaxshi bilaman. Endi ketdik. I like your house. Men uyingni yoqtiraman. Uyingizni yoqtiraman. How long have you lived there? Qancha vaqtdan beri bu yerda yashagansiz? Bo'ladi. Mana do you live xato. Hop. 11.2. Read situation and write question using the words in brackets. Ya'ni o'qiymiz ekan holatda yozamiz ekan savolni savatdagi so'zlarni ishlatgan holatda. Xo'p. Buni tushuntirib ketaman, o'zlaring yozasizlar. A friend tells you that Paul is in hospital. You ask him. Deyapti mana. How long has tushyapti Paul bo'lgani uchun been in hospital. Ha, tushunarli bo'ldi. Ya'ni xuddi shunaqa qilib sizlar so'roq shaklini tuzishlaring kerak. Bunda ham how long have you known Catherine? The complete piece answers to A's questions. Paul is in hospital, isn't he? Yes, he has been in hospital since Monday. Ya'ni Paul shifoxonadami? Ha? Ha, u dushanbadan beri shifoxonada. Do you see Lisa very often? No, I haven't seen. Lizani tez-tez ko'rib turasizmi? Yo'q, men uni 3 oydan beri uchratmadim deyapti. Xuddi shu bizni how long va for and since ga bag'ishlangan darsimiz edi. Sizlardan so'rab qolamanki, videoga like bosinglar, yoqtiruv va izohlarda o'zlaringni fikrlarini commentriesda, ya'ni izohlarda o'zlaringni fikrlarini qoldiringlar. Hammasi yaxshilikka kanaliga chin dildan obuna bo'lib, iloji boricha yaqinlaringga ham ulashinglar. Sizlardan hech narsa ketmaydi. Telegramga o'xshab cheklov yo'q. Tez orada o'zimni ishimdan ham bo'shayman. Faqat shu vaqtimni YouTube'ga bag'ishlayman. Va unda biz O'zbekiston Respublikasi bo'yicha sovg'ali turli xil konkurslar uyushtiramiz. Xoh endi oddiyroq bo'lsa ham Telegram Premium, telefon, smartwatchmi va hokazo. Xo'p, sizlardan so'raydigan narsam, iltimos qilib qolaman, mana shu qo'ng'iroqchani bosib, like bosib va kommentariyada o'zlaringning fikrlaringni bildirib, izohlarda kanalimga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Baraka topurlar. Sizlar bilan Ibrohimbek bo'ldi. Xullas, xayr. See you soon, my dear followers.